Hey guys, it's Chuck at Timber Bin Farm and back today with another update on the Barndominium. Hey, I'm going to take you for a little walk around inside and show you some of the exciting things we have going on in here. All right, this is walking through the front door, and this is the great room. The kitchen will be back there along that back wall, but we ended up doing a Nickel Gap Shiplap pine ceiling in this room. Saw how that turned out. We decided to do it in all the rooms. This front wall in master bedroom, we went ahead and did the Nickel Gap Shiplap on that wall as well. And then all the rooms, bathrooms, even down to the laundry room, we went ahead and did all the ceilings in that Nickel Gap Shiplap. So we're just tickled with how it turned out. This whole front wall, it's a little hard to tell with the glare. Let me back up. This is standing in the kitchen, looking back into the living room. But yeah, we're excited. This turned out really, really well. I want to take you into, this is one of the spare bedrooms. And again, we did the front wall in the Nickel Gap. We had some pieces left over and had enough to do a couple walls here and there, so we did that. And I want to show you these doors. So these doors will get stained, a dark stain, the trim board, and then that will also be the same as the doors. The doors will get stained dark, just a shade or two darker than the provincial stain that we used on the shiplap. But we purchased those doors at Menards, and they're a solid door, but they're really well put together. They were fairly inexpensive for what they are, but we're real tickled with those and can't wait to get those stained to see what they're going to turn out like.